Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss editing in Word 2010. This is the class 4 video and chapter number 4. And today the related this topic practical session. Today the practical class. This practical class are related to editing the spacing the text. So let's start. This is the laptop. Today I discuss editing in Word 2010. Previous classes I discuss selecting the text, and there are so many such type of option: word, line, paragraph, sentence, text block, and the whole document. So first of all, I open to MS Word. This is the search. This is the total area is the taskbar, and this is the search button. And I just click to the, or just write down to the window. You have to the Microsoft Word in 2007, because I installed to the 2007, not 2000, but the function is the same. Open to the Microsoft Word 2010. This is the Microsoft Word. My dear student, first of all, there are so many such type of option: home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review. But today I discuss moving the text, selecting to the text. Suppose I write down to the any such type of letters, yeah, such type of sentence. Suppose this sentence name is the, I write down editing means making changes or modification like inserting or deleting, comma, copying or moving text, comma, correcting misspelled word. Suppose I write down to the two sentence. And first of all, how to select? This is the mouse and the two area of the mouse. So this is the left side, this is the right side. I just click to the, suppose I select to the misspelled word, and this is the cursor. This blinking point is the mouse cursor, and this mouse cursor, this is the mouse cursor blinking. So I first of all, your mouse cursor arrived in those sentences which sentence is selected. Suppose I select to the misspelled word. So just click in the mouse cursor, in the just one click in this mouse, and the blinking cursor is in front of the misspelled word, and just this is the mouse button, and this mouse button the press in the one finger press in the mouse button, and you just press and then drag. This misspelled word is the select, and first of all, word selecting. I select to the only for the misspelled word. This is the word selecting. One word selecting. Yeah, two word selecting. Second, line selecting. This is the line. Suppose this is the totally line deleting, copying, and these all of our line are to the selected. Just click to the this is the deleting, and this mouse pointer is right to the deleting area. Deleting the just click one click in the mouse, and this mouse pointer is blinking in this area, and the same rule apply. You just drag to the you just one time just press to the mouse left button and just drag to the all over line to the selected. I first of all discuss which type of selecting the particular sentence or particular line, and paragraph selecting. There are no any such type of paragraph, but this is the paragraph. Suppose this is the paragraph. So just click just same rule apply. Just click to the mouse pointer and you drag to the all over to the sentence. The all over paragraph are selected. Sentence selecting. Suppose the all over sentence are selected. Then mouse pointer, a starting point of the mouse pointer in here, and just the same rule apply. The left mouse button press and just drag to the all over sentence. The all over sentence to the selected, and this is the selecting the text. My second topic is moving the text. How to moving the text? Moving the text means moving the text. There are so many such type of action apply in the moving the text. You just go to the file menu. Yeah, you not go to the file menu. Suppose this sentence is moved to in here. So just select to all of our sentence. Just select to the all of our sentence and mouse right button click, and this is the copy. This is the copy, and this particular sentence is placed to another place. You just click to here, and this particular sentence is automatically copy or moving to the area. Or just click. Suppose there are the two sentences is the same. Suppose one sentence is not in here. You just click to the all of a sentence and mouse right click, and this option is the cut option. This automatically cut to the sentence. Or again this sentence is those cut the sentence is show to the another place. You just click to the mouse button and just click to paste. This is to the automatically you paste, you cut or paste, the all our sentence are automatically show in this the area. So this is the moving the text. Or in second option in the moving the text, this is the home tab. And you all suppose this particular sentence is moved to here. So just all our sentence to the selected, and you go to the home tab. There are so many such type of option in front of you: cut, copy, paste. but I am, suppose I write down this sentence is here, and those sentence, the same sentence is applied in the here or to the another place. You just copy and those sentence I put in the here. You just click to the paste option. The same sentence is applied in the here. The second option, first option the mouse apply, and the second option is this function applied to the ms bottom. This is the moving the text. The second option is the copying. The first option is the copying the text. Suppose this sentence is already in the here, but I am not want to this the same sentence in here. You just selected to all over to the sentence, and you just go to the cut option. This all over sentence is a cut. Again this sentence you want to this sentence in present in here. You just click to the paste option. You again you want to, if this sentence is present in here, you just click the control Z. But I am not control Z because I have already to the cut option. Again I show that this is the editing. You just click to the cut option, and you want to the another place, and you just click to the paste. You just click to the paste. The same sentence is write down to the here. So this option is the cut or copy to the moving the text. Copy means this particular sentence are present in here, and the same sentence present in other area. Suppose this sentence is present in here, the all over to the part also selected, and you just click to the copy, or you just click to the copy, and suppose I want to the this sentence I want to the in here. You just click to the paste. The same sentence apply in this area. So they are the today I saw that how to copy the sentence, how to select to the text, how to cut to the text or sentence, and how to paste to the text. Thank you so much.